Hello everyone, welcome to Prime Strings. I'm Henriette and today we're going to learn the diminished 7th as they are set in the syllabus for grade 6 ABRSM. Many of my pupils tell me that they find this very tricky to learn, so hopefully we can do it together today. I'll help you and we'll go over it and break it down into its separate parts, and we'll take it very slowly, so hopefully it will become a little bit easier again. So get your violin. Before we start playing the diminished 7th starting on G, it is a good idea, I think, to realise what it actually is that we're doing. And a diminished 7th is made up of a minor third followed by a diminished 5th and then a diminished 7th. So if you don't know what these things are, just ignore what I'm saying and we'll play it by ear, that's fine. But for those of you who know what that means, it might be helpful and make remembering a little bit easier. So let's get our violins up and I'll count us in for 4 and we're going to play very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you will have noticed, I play an open E string, and the reason why I do that is that because I have played a D flat 4th finger on the G string at the beginning, and it's just a lot easier if you then get an open E string nearer the top. Now you want to make sure that when you get from the G string to the D string, which is this bit, that E feels, that first finger on the D string feels incredibly high. So if you feel that you're playing that a little bit flat, just make your finger a little bit higher, because that is a really awkward string crossing. Let's do that again. Let's stop on the E. And you might see my elbow is quite far under the violin for that 4th finger. I let go a little bit. Did you see that? I moved my elbow out a little bit, which gets you a better E first finger on the D string. So let's start again from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when we go from the A string to the E string, the opposite happens. So we've got a D flat and my elbow goes out this way. So D flat, okay. So you want to make your elbow guide your fingers across the strings like that to make it all a lot smoother. By the way, you will probably have noticed that I was playing that with whole bows on each of the notes, because the intonation gets a lot easier when you can actually hear the tuning really well, because you make a very nice sound. So use the longest bows you can imagine, because the set speed is not very fast, so you can actually use the whole bow. We'll do it once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm hoping that you may find that is getting a little bit easier now. Now, it's also set for you to play it slurred. So let's play the slurred version now. We're doing 4 notes to your bow. Now we're going a little bit faster. So I'll count us in again for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and especially when you play it slurred, you want to make those string crossings as smooth as you can possibly manage. So when we're here, you see I make a very nice rounded string crossing with my wrist, with my bow wrist. Here as well. I'll do that again, see if you can see it here. There you go. Now I would like you to play a crescendo to the top note, and then at the second half of this diminished 7th, stay loud. So you get a bit of performance, an idea of a performance in there as well. So one final time, make sure that you use long bows and that you play crescendo to the top note. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope that's been helpful for you. Do write a comment in the comments box below, and as always, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends.